Hi friends, very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending upon your place. Are you someone who is having massive amount of data, whether it's in the form of book or whether it's form of articles or in the form of magazines, which requires massive grammatical corrections, improvement in vocabulary, or plagiarism check? Then there are many tools are available. Grammarly is one of them. My name is Srinath Rajan, a software professional. Today, I would like to take this occasion to explain or to give brief tutorial on how to leverage features that are provided by Grammarly. Let's deep dive into this. So you can access Grammarly using the website grammarly.com and you can see the various plans. In case if your document requires only grammatical corrections or spelling corrections, then you go ahead with the free versions. In case if you want to improve vocabulary of your text, then probably go ahead with this plan. Then they are both available, yearly plan and monthly plan available. So depending upon your usage, you can take it. And another option is for enterprise versions. So depending upon your need, you can choose the plan. So friends, if you want to access Grammarly, just launch your browser. There are app is also available. I'm going to use browser here. So just type grammarly.com. It will take into Grammarly website and you can log into this. In case if you already bought the subscription, it will prompt you to log in. Then once you log in, the page look like this. So here you can see different options. One is version history, you can see, and Thrash, and then different apps is available. I think for our purpose we may not need any new apps here. So what I can do is I'm going to take a sample dummy text, okay, and there are three things. See, there are two options. Okay, one is you can directly open the new document. Other one is if your document is huge, then probably you can go ahead for uploading the document. So what I am going to do is just for showing the demo, I am going to open new document. There are three things available. Okay, one is issuing untitled document because we have not put any titles. Still, there is option actually. We can simply paste the text, whatever we have copied, or we can simply upload the document. And you can see here the goals is present and overall score is present. We have to make sure the score is 100% before you are going to proceed further. So now let's paste. I'm going to paste the document, a random text from the internet. Let us explain. Okay, so as soon as you have the text, it's going to prompt the set goals, because this is a guy which tells actually it helps to it's asking us what kind of features that you want to use from the Grammarly. So for example, in the first one you can see domain is proposed. Again, whether you are an academic student or using for business articles, or you are writing email or casual or creative, you writing anything which is creative, or any general purpose. Take for example, if you are writing any book or any other thing, then just go for general. I would suggest you to use general in case if your tutor doesn't fall amongst these categories. And then you can tell the intent. What is the main purpose actually? So what you are trying to do, that you are going to select actually. So are you trying to tell? Are you trying to describe something like either it's a place or person or any other thing? Then go for a description. Or if you want to make any kind of announcement, then you can go for inform. And if you try to make any business and any if you want to try to convince someone, then probably you can go ahead for this option. And yes, as it name it indicates, if you are trying to narrate some stories, then you can go ahead for this option. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the describe, because I believe the sample text which I have taken is just for description. That should be fine. And audience, right? So here you can see like probably you can use general. It's general means universal actually. It's applicable for everyone. Knowledgeable means it will give better suggestion where it assumes that people already know something. So it's going to select this one. And another one is expert. Probably we don't do both of them. What I'm going to do is just I'm going to select general document. Okay. Then formality, I'm going to select default one. Let it be neutral. So now I'm going to press done. So friends, now we have document ready. Now if you look at the scores, we have score is 91. So 91 is not 100. Still we have to make a lot of corrections for these sentences to make it 100. So you might ask how to do this. If you look at the right side, there are three different columns. One is review suggestions. It's going to suggest what's actually mistake and what are the corrective actions. Then right with generative AI, it's going to suggest what are the sentences, like if you give some input, it will itself gives sentences to write actually. Then I think for our purpose this may not be right one. And check for AI text and plagiarism. This is most important, because if you are trying to publish in a book or trying to publish in a magazine, it's more important to check this. So I will come to this little bit later. First, let us understand how to make this score 100%. Okay, so the first paragraph it has taken and it has identified lots of mistakes. So what are some mistakes? We'll see. What we have done is technology have changed our lives in many ways. It make communication easier and faster. See, the sentence is not correct. It clearly says technology has changed our lives in many ways. It has made communication easier and faster. See, this readability is better actually compared to what we have in the left hand side. And also it gives different see here, and also the different spelling is not correct. People can now connect to each other from different parts of world instantly. So here the spelling of different is not correct actually. So we have suggested to write this one. And another one is social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram allows users to share their thoughts, photos and experiences. So here sentence is not proper again. Grammatical mistakes we have, and we have grammatical mistakes here. See, it's here. It's easier. See, whatever we have in the right side, it's easier to read. So main purpose of grammatical correction is to make the users to read easily. Okay. So and also again this lead to more connected society. So yeah, this like it's not it's like in a broken sentence. So it Grammarly clearly suggested how to make use of this sentence to make look better. See, if you look at this sentence right on the right hand side, it's more easier to read. I am going to read for you. Technology has changed our lives in many ways. It has made communication easier and faster. People can now connect to each other from different parts of the world instantly. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram allows users to share their thoughts, photos, and experiences, leading to more connected society. So this looks more appropriate. So next question you might ask, how to bring this text into our whatever editing place. Use this question. See, there's a button called use this question. Green color. Simply click on this. Okay. So as soon as you done this one, don't go to next one immediately. Okay. My suggestion is, so once you did a replace, then just read it again. Fine. So we are good actually. First paragraph we are good, and we are having aligned with what Grammarly suggested. So now let's move to next paragraph. What are the next review suggestion it's saying is, however, the technology also have its drawback. Okay, change this verb. It should be has actually. Technology also has. It has to be has instead of have. So this is the grammatical mistake. What we do, we can just accept it. So now that got fixed. And once every time we fix the issues, right, we can see the score. Earlier we were having 91. Now it reaches to 94. Okay. So now here this what it's saying is replace the word dependent. The spelling is not correct actually. So it is suggesting with proper spelling. Dependent instead of dependent, it's dependent. Okay, you simply accept it. And so now here there is a word actually, another major impact. So instead of here Grammarly is suggesting us to use different word itself. So that's the beauty of grammar. Like it helps us it suggests us to use better vocabulary. This is one of them example. So another significant impact of technology. Yeah, this is fine. We can simply accept it. Okay. Now let's see what are the other different options. So these are the suggestions which are earlier we got problems on correctness, so we all fixed all our correctness. So because of that, our score is increased from 91 to 97. Still we are left with 3 points. let's understand what are the things which is suggesting us to correct. Yeah, this sentence actually. So let's understand what is the problem. Online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy makes it possible for people to learn new skills from home. Okay. Yeah, I think it's only punctuation actually here. So better we can use punctuation. And next sentence we see, according to report by Forbes. Yeah, this sentence is not proper actually. We can go ahead for this. I think this is the only two mistakes we have in this paragraph. We can correct this. When we select this one, I think we can see the readability score is 100. Overall score is 100, and you can see improvement in readability as well. So this is what the first step. Okay, now we have seen that our document is 100% score. It means we are free from all grammatical mistakes, and vocabulary also good actually by this time. So now we got 100% score for Grammarly. Now we can check for AI text and plagiarism. AI text is whether we copied the text directly from AI tools like ChatGPT or any other tools. So if the pattern matches, then it is going to flag AI text. And the plagiarism is like whether we are copying from any other resources directly. So that is the check actually. So we have to make sure whenever we are publishing any article or any other things or any magazines, so we have to make sure that we should not have any plagiarism actually. So let's see what actually it's trying to suggest actually. So plagiarism AI text, right? What it's saying is that the text matches. That's what it's saying. So it means that whatever the text we have written here is exact text is present some other place actually. So there are no, it's most important for author to solve this one. So how you can solve, the question comes. So there are different ways actually. One of the way we can solve this issue is see if the sentence or paragraph is really mandatory for your content. If it is not mandatory, simply knock it off from your text. The first thing. The second way you can do is you write your own thing. Like don't copy from anywhere. Use your own ideas and try to represent in your own words. So in that way you don't get plagiarism. Third important thing is just copy the reference. As per this reference, say example here, copy reference option is there. As per this reference, this is the sentence. Like example here, we can see copy reference. So this is the copy reference. As per this, it is like Nigeria. What is it? As per this website. As per this website, this is the text we got. So in that way, we are giving credit to author. So we don't see any plagiarism. I hope you got to understand what is this. And let's understand now. When you fixed all these things, right, you should be able to see. You should be able to see zero text matches, zero plagiarism, no plagiarism fine, and no AI text is fine. So this should be your ultimate aim actually. For example, I will tell you, if you don't have anything, let's see how it comes, how it looks like. Let's understand. See here, we don't have any plagiarism. This is what it's expected. You see here in this example, I just removed because since we don't have anything, it doesn't give any plagiarism. And also we didn't have any AI text that you are supposed to get. So so what main intention is, we should get zero plagiarism and we should get zero AI text. So once we have this one, then probably the document will be ready for publishing. So now once you fix all your review suggestions, like once we achieve the score 100 and when we don't have any plagiarisms and we don't have any AI text, then I think we are ready to go. So once you are ready with these things, what you can do is you can simply select all and simply copy paste your document where you are editing, or you can simply, if the document is huge, you simply go there and simply download this. Especially when you are writing a book and when you fix all these issues, you can simply go and download this. Yep, that's all I wanted to say to all of you. I hope you all get some idea on how to use Grammarly, and we can say thanks to Grammarly for creating such a beautiful software and making all of our work so easier. So having said that, Srinath Natarajan signing off from this video. Namaste.